Malaria, malaria, malaria.
Why leave us in doubt? Why puzzle us? Malaria. Why? Why give threats to the life of mothers and children? Malaria. Why? Pregnant mothers suffer from malaria. Children perish from malaria. Please, fellow youth, volunteers and other health units, where are we looking to?
Malaria, malaria, malaria. In the first year, you've killed my firstborn. Again, in the second years, you've killed my lastborn, leaving me childless, nobody to help.
Oh, malaria, have mercy on our children.
Let's continue encouraging the most vulnerable ones like mothers and children to sleep under protected nets routinely.
Are we going for early treatment in case of detected the signs and symptoms of malaria?
Government, we request you to open up adequate health centers and train more health workers. Are you keeping proper sanitation like clearing bushes, stagnant waters around that breathe in malaria? Please, government, give sensitization on the causes and prevention of malaria in every community.
Malaria, 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 away from Africa.